Hello dear viewers, today we'll talk about how to take a screenshot on Mac without a Hitch 2021. So let's start. Taking a screenshot is a great way to demonstrate things in a variety of situations. You can take a screenshot on Mac when you want to capture an exact error that you wish to get troubleshooting, to pinpoint changes in a design, info, graphic, web design, etc. Make areas on an image or for presentation. Show progress of something you have been working on, a document or design. Capture a screenshot of an item you want to purchase. There could be various reasons why you want to learn to take screenshots on a Mac. Maybe you have just switched from a Windows PCs or laptop to a Mac ecosystem. There are several ways you can take screenshots on Mac. The various combinations can help you refine your screenshots in many ways. For instance, you can take a screenshot of any portion of the Mac screen, crop screenshot to your desired size, how to capture a screenshot of an area on the screen you are currently interacting with. All in all, we won't just be telling you how to capture screenshots on Mac, but we are also going to discuss some smart ways you can edit those screenshots as well. Here are the best ways you can take screenshot on Mac 2021. As we said, there are several key combinations to take a screenshot of on Mac. Number 1, Command plus Shift plus 3 takes screenshot of the entire screen. This key combination helps in taking a screenshot of the entire screen. In case you have two screens, this key combination will grab the screenshot of both screens. Number 2, Command plus Shift plus 4 takes screenshot of a selected area. It could be that instead of taking the screenshot of the whole screen, you want to take the screenshot of a selected region. If that's your intent, you can press Command plus Shift plus 4. Here is how you can take the screenshot of a selected region on Mac using the above mentioned key combination. Press Command plus Shift plus 4 using your trackpad or mouse. Drag the crosshair to the screen region whose screenshot you want to take. Drag the rectangle on that region and release the trackpad or mouse when you are sure to take the screenshot of the region. If you want the screenshot to be of precise dimension, you can take the help of the pixel measurement besides the crosshairs. Number 3, Command plus Shift plus 5. Variety of options will appear. When you press the Command plus Shift plus 5 key combination, a pop-up will appear presenting the following options. Capture a selected window, take a screenshot of the entire screen, take a screenshot of a selected region. Using the same command plus Shift plus 5, you can even record the events on your screen. Number 4, Command plus Shift plus 6. Capture the image of your touch bar. In case your Mac has a touch bar, you can press the key combination Command plus Shift plus 6 and capture the screenshot of your touch bar. Number 5, taking a screenshot while interacting with a software. Sometimes when you are interacting with any software or performing an operation where an option might disappear immediately, how would you then take a screenshot on Mac? Here Mac gives you an option to delay the screenshot. This process is also known as a timed screenshot, and it can be simply done by Number 1, holding the Command plus Shift plus 5 key combination. Number 2, click on Option. Number 3, from the timer, choose 5 or 10 seconds Number 4, you can now select the kind screenshot you want to take. Number 5, when the timer reaches 0, a screenshot will be captured. Where to save Mac screenshot? When you take a screenshot on Mac, it gets saved on your desktop by default. However, over some time after you have accumulated a lot of screenshots, your desktop might get cluttered, and let's face it, who likes a cluttered desktop? A question then arises, how to save screenshots at some other location on Mac? You might also wonder how you can change the format of a captured screenshot from .png to .jpeg or another format. First, to change where Mac screenshots are saved. 1. Press Command plus Shift plus 5. Number 2. Click Options. Number 3. You can now choose a listed folder or select any other location in case you choose the latter. You can create a folder or choose another folder for saving the screenshot you have captured on Mac. Number 4. The specified location will remain the place where your screenshot will be saved until you decide to change it. Let's now address how you can change the format of a screenshot from .png to JPEG. Before that, why would you want to change the format? The default .png format ensures quality, maintains image details, but is immensely large as far as the file size is concerned. To convert .png into a smaller image format, an image resizer tool can be a great bet. But if you want to take the manual route, you can follow the steps listed below. Number 1. Press space plus command and open the terminal. Number 2. Copy and paste the following command. Default writes com.apple.screen capture type jpeg. Number 3. Press the return key. Number 4. Restart your Mac to bring the changes to effect. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel plus bell icon for latest updates. Take care. Bye bye.